I'm using New Mexico red chili pods here that are pretty hot. It was about a 1 pound bag. This is the coolest trick for garlic ever. Got to do it. Add some chicken broth. It looks delicious. And I'm going to simmer that for about 20 minutes until those chilies are nice and soft. And then I'm going to grab everything out and put it in the blender. I'm glad you didn't see I dropped one there. But you can see that's a beautiful color. The top of my blender almost blew off. Hey, strain it. I don't care if you have a Vitamix. Strain it. It comes out nice and velvety and smooth. Check this out here. Watch. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. See that? Add a little bit of salt. Add Mexican oregano. Got to crush it up in your hand and make it smell good. And then I added 2 teaspoons of cumin. And then I'm going to mix that up and set it aside and work on the pork. So I chunked up some pork, added some salt. I'm going to put it in a nice hot pan, get some nice color on the bottom, and add it to my pot. Rinse off the hominy because the slime is gross. Add some more chicken stock. Add the red chili back in there. Oh, baby. There goes in the hominy. Mix it all up. And then I'm going to simmer this for about an hour and a half to 2 hours until the pork is nice and tender. I hope you enjoy it.